Hello and welcome to Automation Masters. I am Mr. S. Lulu and I am staying in a city called Pretoria in a country called South Africa, and this Automation Masters is based in mainland Maine, right in Pretoria, which is the capital city of South Africa. For those who may not know what is Automation Masters, we are an online digital marketing agency that allows other people to connect into our business hub. And so we are helping people to learn on how to create an additional income online, or it can be a full-time income online. So if you're looking for a way on how you can be able to learn high income or high in demand income skills online, then this is the place for you. We teach you all the global trending income skills, which are future-proof skills, meaning skills, for example, like in artificial intelligence, which is AI, and AI in digital marketing. We are teaching you a lot around branding, and we are teaching you a lot under digital marketing purely, and we are teaching you also about trading. If you'd like to learn a lot about how to get started trading on the financial market, then we teach you all of that. And we also teaching you how to build automated systems, which are automated business systems using artificial intelligence. If you are someone who'd like to start a business online, building a brand from scratch, and you don't have any idea on how to do it, we are teaching you all of that, on how to discover your brand, your purpose, and also be able to then turn it into a business that you can use to literally connect with clients and be able to make an income online. We are literally also helping you on how to take your brand and turn it into a business. Because in the 21st century, where everything is digital, people are learning on how to make money online. We are going online with how we shop, with how we live, with how we learn, and with how we socialize, and now with how we do business. All businesses are now running hybrid systems where they are fully online as much as they are in the physical realm. And all businesses are now looking into social media marketing as well as digital marketing in order to promote their products and services. So if you'd like to learn from Automation Masters, we have over 200 business ideas that you can learn on with the kind of businesses that you'd like to get to start in, be it AI music production, all the way to literally helping people to register their businesses online, being compliant with the tax office, and we teach you so much more. If you're interested in learning on how to trade the financial markets, we got you. And if you'd like to also not show your face, go completely faceless and still use AI in order for you to create content, market your businesses, and be able to start and scale a digital marketing agency without showing your face, we got you. So we've got a lot of these systems and learning and programs that you can learn from. All you've got to do is just check our in-store for all the exciting products and services that we have. We offer you digital products which comes in form of pre-recorded videos, PowerPoint presentations, PDFs, and so much more. We've got live and pre-recorded videos as well as Zoom replays that you can learn from. We've got content vaults, we've got ebooks that you can have access to, and so much more. And our community, it's a hybrid system community, which means we've got what we call the MRR and PLR system, which offers you master resale rights, which is MRR, and private label rights. What does that mean? It basically means that you've got rights to resell the programs you're buying from Automation Masters, and with some of the programs, specifically the Palladium Starter Kit, you have got what we call the private label right, meaning you get to buy and own the program 100%. We are literally giving you the intellectual property rights to own it, and whenever you're reselling it, you get to keep 100% profit. And then with all the other programs now within Automation Masters, these are affiliate marketing, programs that you'll get to keep about 80% profits, and you'll only pay a 20% affiliate commission or affiliate fees to the company. Now with every sale that you make, you're keeping 80% profit, then the company gets to keep 20% in affiliate fees. Now with two communities that we have, which is Automation Masters Academy as well as Evolve Summit, it is a 50-50 profit share system. So when you close the sale, you'll get to keep 50% and the company will take 50%. And we do that because these are live masterclass, communities, and they're not directly Automation Masters. They are standalone communities, but which are babies or sister companies of Automation Masters, and you are now able to have access to them. And when you purchase and own them, you will have to gain access to the affiliate commission of 50-50. If you've been wondering where can you find a lucrative, legitimate digital marketing agency or company that you can partner with, look no further. I am currently at the headquarters of Automation Masters here in Pretoria in mainland Maine, and this is a physical location. We have hosted our physical launch here in Pretoria and mainland, where a lot of our digital business partners were able to attend. We are showing you that we are a real business in a real physical location, as much as we are based in Africa, in South Africa, but we are literally having high standards and running this business in a professional manner with professional team that is always ready to help assist you. So looking forward to helping you join this movement that is a fast growing movement and help you build an online business and earn an income online. Right now, I encourage you to check on our in-store what program may excite you the most. Thank you.